No! All right, we're leaving. I'll see you in a couple hours. Tonight, you little... I'm getting you a shark suit, you little bastard. Mondays are the only days we're able to work on this. So, off to Pennsylvania we go. Is it raining already?
I think so.
Mother.
It's not like raining.
Pennsylvania's calling for thunderstorms. One day we'll drive this one. Oh, fuck, man. Ah! See what I mean about the shit that you find in New York City? Here's our 1x2s for the walls. Found supplies. And it's just starting. Let's go.
Shoot this motherfucker!
Look at the light test, and then when I nail it.
Sharks in the water.
Cool.
Where are we?
We're in Lewisberry, Pennsylvania. Where's my sunglasses? I want to thank Auntie Paula and Kelly for the table saw they donated today. I'm about 3 feet before, so it's third time. That's rock. Now we go to Home Depot again.
Reaction to whatever that was. Oh, word.
How much did you spend?
$139.
So we're up to 190, yeah?
We're just under 200 bucks, not counting this all. Below arms get tanned right here. Plywood down.
We got them self-tapping screws.
Baby powder, baby powder.
The breakup. The guy's like, doo-doo, doo-doo, doo-doo.
So since we don't have self-tapping screws, what's the process?
Drill pilot holes for everything.
Make pilot holes for everything,
Which,
so it don't split the wood.
Remember, I know what we're doing. They don't.
yeah, but it's just like
Explain it to them.
it's a process because we don't need to do all this stuff. This is the whole point of getting self-drilling screws so that I can save a couple hours on this project. So now that we have to pre-drill everything, here's a couple extra hours that we're gonna waste doing that shit. Probably less time consuming just to go back to Home Depot and get the self-tapping screws. But if I go back in there and they give me one more wrong item or send me in a circle because nobody knows where the fuck anything is, I'm gonna lose my shit.
I was going to be absolutely livid about not getting this cut, but I'm in a good mood.
So, we didn't get to wire the electric today. We're a little behind. We were supposed to pick up some supplies that weren't ready for us. So we just tried to get some stuff up in the meantime. But I just wanted to send a very special thanks to Alan at Odyssey Battery for this tank battery. Like, I really needed to be more obnoxious that you now have put the power of a tank in my hands. This thing is obnoxious. It is a 91-pound battery, but thank you so much. This is gonna power Bruce. End of day 3. We got rain. Did it just really stop raining? Fuck this place. See y'all next week.